Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Valentine. Yes, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, you're highly welcome. Do so good to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first to get my videos as soon as I upload. And remember, subscription is free. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you how I made these Valentine's cookies. Yes, with a stove. You don't have an oven, you don't have an electric mixer. I've got you all covered, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So guys, to be making this recipe, here are the ingredients. I have flour here, then sugar, eggs, margarine. I have liquid milk, liquid flavor, powdered vanilla flavor, and baking powder. So these are basically the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. So the first thing is to add the margarine into an empty bowl. Then you mix to loosen. I've added the sugar. Keep mixing till it becomes creamy and fluffy. Yes. I've added the flavor. You can also use more than one. I've added the liquid milk. Then you keep mixing in one direction. So guys, check out the recipe measurements in my blog. I'll be posting the link in the description box. So I've added the eggs. For the eggs, break the eggs into a separate plate. Don't whisk, all right? Then you add and keep mixing. So I'm adding the flour. What I did was I added the baking powder and the powdered vanilla flavor and mixed them in the flour, right? So I mixed the dry ingredients together, all right? And also don't forget to sift your flour. That was why I said you should visit the blog so that you can be able to get every other details. So the next is to work the dough with your hands till you get a non-sticky dough. This is a non-sticky dough. So place on a flat surface with a rolling pin, you flatten. Yes, it's love in the air. It's Valentine cookies we're making. So I'm using the heart-shaped cutter. So remember, we are making Valentine's cookies. Here are the cutouts. So the next is to place the dough cutout dough into a greased pan. Remember to grease your pan very well. You grease with margarine, alright? So I'm using a baking pan. So the next is to place it in a pot. Remember, we're using a stove to bake these cookies. Cover the pot to bake. This is our cookies. Hope you guys are seeing this. Yes, what baked with a stove. Isn't this yummy? It looks yummy. Wow, guys, this is it. Yes, you don't have an oven, you can bake with a stove. So this is Valentine cake, like I told you. Sorry, Valentine cookies. So we are decorating our cookies. This is it. Happy Valentine's, love. This is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Happy Valentine's. Try it out, please.